Hi everyone, Dr. Nemechek here. I want to talk to you about the terrible twos. Now, for any of you who's had a neurotypical child, it's basically this stage when, in the 2-year-old range, when your child starts developing a little agency about what they do or don't want to do. Before this stage, the kids will pretty much go along with most anything. And then once they realize, hey, this word no is kind of powerful and I can kind of decide if I want to participate or whatever, they really put it to play and push you pretty hard. So it's like, no. Now, what is interesting that we see is, even I've seen this in teenagers, I've seen this in 20-year-olds. And really the first time was a young man with autism. He was pretty advanced. He was around 16, 17 years of age. Started him on the protocol, doing pretty good. And I can't remember, maybe we're a year or two into it. And, he's making some nice gains. And the parents start having a lot of problems. A lot of pushback. And I remember the mom saying to me, this is one of the first times it came to my attention. She said, listen, I've had 3 other kids, and I know it sounds crazy, but this boy, or 16-year-old boy, is going through the terrible twos right now. And I have had this conversation, I don't know how many times, 40, 50, 60, where the mother is kind of saying the same thing. And it can happen at any age. But when it does happen, it's when, so you're getting some nice progress, your child's starting to listen, cooperate, follow instructions, and so forth. You enter into this stage, maybe you're starting to speak. You enter in this, and they understand now kind of what's going on around them, what the household kind of pattern is, and so forth, and they start pushing back. And it's no. Don't want to do this, don't want to do that. And school may be complaining, like he's telling us now he just doesn't want to do his homework or he just want to participate in whatever. And it's no. These kids are all going through the terrible twos. It might happen at 7, it could happen at 13, it might happen when they're 24. All right? And so, again, this is when the child is really aware of the family, the flow of the family, what you're doing, where you're going, and so forth. And it's just a little more difficult, It's harder now. And because what happens is you shift from this stage where when your child was still so underdeveloped, they were more like a big living doll that you could kind of just move around, come here, do this and do that. And now when they've got this light in their eye and their consciousness is awake, you'll start getting this pushback. Don't worry, it'll go away. 4-6 months typically, is my recall, and it's pretty common. And actually, a lot of the parents who recognize it, they'll say, "Oh, lately the school's been complaining." Because he's like, I don't want to do this, I don't want to do that. They're pushing back. And the parents are like, hallelujah. He's starting to make decisions for himself, really. And that's how you have to look at it. And so anyhow, it's just a pretty common little thing I don't think I've ever talked about before. And so don't be surprised if you're seeing terrible twos in a teenager. All right? Everybody, have a great day and take care. Bye.